Hi, it's Sue from Figuring Out the Rest. And today I am jumping on the trend of unboxing videos that so many people on YouTube have done. And today I'm going to unbox what I got today. I got a package. I wonder what's inside. Let's see. Take my tape off and open upside. And there is brown paper. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I ordered brown paper. But how handy is it? It makes noise, it's good for packaging, and yes, it's so amazing. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I also got Bravecta for my doggy to keep the fleas and ticks off him for 3 whole months. Yay, that's so awesome. Wow, I'm so excited. And there's something else in it. Oh my goodness, there's something else. It is Sentinel. Also, to keep my doggy healthy and to not get heartworm and die. Yay! I got things to protect my dog. I didn't know they were coming, or did I? So this is my unboxing video because that is all I have in my box here. And I am done. I have my Sentinel and Bravecta, and I unboxed them. Just like all those fun YouTubers who are having people watch them unbox packages again. That's my version. Until next time, I'm figuring out the rest. Bye.